Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you'd like to have the exact percentage of your battery, all you have to do, just like I've got, all you have to do is to simply enter the settings and enter notifications. Now let's scroll down to the advanced settings. And as you can see on the second position in the status bar section, we've got show battery percentage option, which is in my case currently turned on. Of course, if you've got it set like it, you will have only the battery indicator, so you have to tap on the switcher to apply the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.